Ravi Shankar Prasad, born 30th August 1954, is an Indian lawyer, politician, and the current Union Minister holding the Law and Justice, Electronics and Information Technology and Communication portfolios in the Government of India. He is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Prasad represents the Patna Sahib. During the India government under Atal Bihari Vajpayee's Prime Ministership, Prasad was appointed Minister of Coal and Mines, Minister of Law and Justice, and Minister of Information and Broadcasting. In 2018, The Economic Times features him as among the top 20 influential world leaders in digital technology and e-government. Under his tenure, India significantly improved digital inclusion coverage in rural areas, and his departments work on cybersecurity, data privacy, and several new e-governance activities that has been considered as a cornerstone of creating a digital India. Prasad was born in Patna, Bihar. His father, Thakur Prasad, was a senior advocate at the Patna High Court. His sister, Anuradha Prasad, wife of Mr. Rajiv Shukla, is the owner of Bag Films and Media Limited. Prasad earned BA Honours, MA Political Science and LLB degree from Patna University and has a son and a daughter. On 3rd Feb 1982, Prasad married Maya Shankar, who is a historian and professor of history at Patna University. Prasad has been practicing at the Patna High Court since 1980. He was designated Senior Advocate at the Patna High Court in 1999 and Senior Advocate at the Supreme Court of India in 2000. Prasad began his political career as a student leader in the 1970s, organizing protests against Indira Gandhi government. He worked in the student movement in Bihar under the leadership of Jai Prakash Narayanan and was an active volunteer of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Parishad. He was associated with Rashtriya Swam Sevak Sangh and ABVP for many years and held various posts in the organization. During his college days, he was Assistant General Secretary of the Patna University Student Union and member of the Senate Finance Committee, Arts and Law faculties of the university. Prasad has held several national level assignments in the youth wing and the main party organization of the BJP. Since 1995, Prasad has been a member of BJP National Executive, the party's top policy-making body. Recently, he oversaw the party's effort in the Uttarakhand Assembly elections. Ravi Shankar Prasad was appointed as Minister for Communications and IT at the time of formation of the government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In July 2016, this ministry of bifurcated into the Ministry of Communication and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The new Ministry of Electronics and IT remained with Ravi Shankar Prasad after this bifurcation. Key achievements of Ravi Shankar Prasad as a Minister for Electronics and IT were growth in electronics manufacturing, common service centers, Stri Swabhiman initiative, digital literacy, efforts made to promote emerging technologies, promotion of digital services, BPOs in small towns. Soon after taking over as a Minister of Coal and Ministry of Mines, Ravi Shankar Prasad accelerated the reforms process in the mining and coal sector. In July 2002, after taking charge of Ministry of Law and Justice, he prepared a bill to amend the Representation of People Act within a fortnight in 2002. In 2003, he became the Information and Broadcasting Minister, where he was responsible for introducing reforms in the radio, television, and animation, which improved the quality and functioning of these sectors. He helped establish Goa as the location of the International Film Festival of India. He also led the Indian delegation to film festivals in Cannes, Venice, and London. As Minister for Communication, he supported Public Sector Unit (BSNL), which he has hailed as a strategic asset to compete with private sector service providers. He told the Parliament that the government wants BSNL to flourish for the welfare of the poor and is serving even the remotest rural areas and is the first to provide services during disasters and emergencies. He has adopted the village of Awalpur under Fatwa block of Patna district as a model village to be developed under the Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana. He empowered Muslim women by bringing a law to ban evil of instant triple talaq. He is a global leader that focused on making India digital. That's Personality Bites of the Week. Thank you for viewing.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.